Hello, my name is James Atkins. I'm the general manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Killeen, and I wanted to personally tell you thank you for visiting our website. We appreciate the opportunity to show you what we have to offer here at Palm Harbor Homes. We are a huge company. We build over 200 different floor plans. We build single wides, double wides, triple wides, quad wides, one bedrooms, two bedrooms, three bedrooms, four bedrooms, five bedrooms, six bedrooms. We can help you with financing, insuring the home. We have basically it's a one-stop shop here at Palm Harbor Homes in Killeen. Right now we're having a huge double down tax refund sale. That gives every customer the opportunity to double the value of their tax return when they use part of their tax return to invest into a new home. When you do come in and visit us, we will definitely tell you more about that and how that works. Now right now, we have a huge promotion going with the double down tax refund sale. So I'm going to give you a promotional code, and if you'll fill out this little box over here with the information request and send that in, somebody will reach out to you and answer any questions you may have, or just tell you more about Palm Harbor, how we build our homes and the warranties and things like that. Now this promotional code is going to be good for up to $3,000 worth of free incentives. That could be free home upgrades, site work, or you just get a discount off the price of the home. This will be available on your first visit, and this is available to customers who watch this video on the internet. So whenever you come in, make sure you have the promotional code and say, hey, I saw this on the internet. I'd like to use this with the purchase of my new home. The code is going to be 2022 new. 2022 new, N-E-W. So come in with that code, 2022 new, N-E-W, and that will get you up to $3,000 in free upgrades, site work, or just take it off the price of the home. We want to be here to help you any way we can. We're located at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway in Killeen, Texas. You can call us at 254-690-1232. Or reach out to us, like I said, fill out this little box over here to the left. That will send an information request, and our internet manager will reach out to you and get all the answers to you that you need. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.